Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about toxic people. Who are toxic people, how to identify toxic people and what is toxicity. So let's start. I just realized that I forgot my intro in my first video. So let me introduce myself first in this video. I'm Sreshta Kodreka. I'm originally from Vijayawada and I'm 19 and I talk about mental strength, toxicity and how to be a better person in this channel. So let's get into the topic. What is toxicity? Toxicity refers to harmful behavior or energy that negatively affect another person's mental, emotional or even physical well-being is called toxicity, and people who possess toxic traits are called toxic people. Why is it important to cut off toxic people? They destroy your peace. You won't be successful around them. They abuse you emotionally or even physically. They constantly disturb your mind, and you can't grow or heal at a war zone. And with toxic people, you're always at a war. They stress you out, they confuse you, and most importantly, they drain your energy. Before we get into that, I'd like to tell you guys to be self-aware. Yes, you should be self-observant. I know many of you guys observe everything around you. You notice people, their words, you remember the words and their behavior and everything, but you don't observe yourself. If you don't observe yourself, how can you know your flaws? If you don't know your flaws, how can you heal them? Observe yourself. Think. When you hate a person, ask yourself why you hate that person. Question your behavior, question your thoughts, question your patterns, question everything about you. Because most of you guys like to blame everything on everyone. You guys be saying shit like, oh my god, I can't believe that she reacted this way. Oh my god, she's so toxic. Ask yourself what made her react that way. Most of the times your actions trigger that reaction. But oh my god, he's so toxic. No babe, you're toxic. And the worst part is you don't even realize it because you're not self-aware. You don't observe yourself. Watch this video only if you want to be better, if you want to improve yourself and if you want to heal yourself. And the people who are not interested in improving themselves, my channel is not for you guys. So let's begin. How to identify toxic people? Immature people are toxic people. See, these fools can't think straight. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're thinking. And they don't even know the value of anything. So the problem with these fools is they hurt you even without realizing it. They don't know that they're hurting you. And that's exactly why they're toxic. Insecure people are toxic people. So firstly, who are insecure people? People who are not feeling confident in themselves and who don't feel good enough are insecure people. And why are these toxic? They can't see you win because they're jealous of you. They're always comparing themselves to you, and they can also show their jealousy in actions to stop you from growing, which is toxic. They put you down at any possible opportunity because that makes them feel better about themselves. They can never be a true friend to you. You can't have this kind of people around you. They don't feel safe within themselves, so they try to control everything around them. Let me give you an example. So there is this girl, let's call her M. She used to be my friend. She was this traumatized, unhealed teenager who lost her mother at 5th standard, I guess. She lives with her relative and she got a problematic aunt. So this girl used to tell everybody that she doesn't have any peace at her home, and when there's this discussion between us, me, her and my friends, uh, she used to tell everybody that about her problems and all, and me trying to be a good friend used to listen to everything, and I tried to console her, I tried to make her feel better, but she's jealous of me. And I couldn't even recognize it back then. Her hair is so curly and she won't even comb it properly, and I got that straight, thick and shiny hair. So touch wood, thank God and my parents for this beautiful hair. And one day there's wild wind and her hair went like, all that. And when I tried to tell her, she called me an evil eye. She said she's facing a lot of hair fall because of me, and she called me jealous. I was in shock for a bit, to be honest, and I was like, honey, me jealous of your hair? You crazy? Later realized after very long time after that incident that she is jealous of me. She is jealous of my hair, me confidently leaving my hair open, me not tying my hair, me confidently flaunting my hair. Since she is insecure, she projected her feeling onto me, into something that I have on her. She projected her jealous on me. This is exactly how insecure people project their insecurities onto others. Also constantly criticizes my other curly hair friend who got a permanent hair straightening treatment, calling her hairs very thin and shit like that. She also straightens her hair once in a while, for events and all. This hypocrisy is a natural trait of pick me people. If you're wondering who's a pick me person is simply a people pleaser. If you're in a crowd with a pick me person, if you observe their actions and their behavior screams, pick me, pick me, pick me over everyone, pick me. And they do anything to be picked. Another experience with this pick me girl I was talking about earlier is, we both were, talking to a boy who we know, and she started making false accusations on me in the form of jokes. She's clearly trying to put me down in the form of jokes in front of this boy because she can be seen as better. Now that is a pick me girl. Boy crazy girls are definitely pick me girls, and their whole lives revolve around boys. They always talk about boys. They need boys around them all the time, and they only want male validation, and they do anything for it. They are obsessed with getting male gaze and compliments and attention from men, and they even consider themselves a boy, like in a gang. And there is no surprise if they choose a barely known boy over their years of friendship with you, over you. Now, if you realize that you got any of the traits I mentioned previously, girl, you need to fix yourself. You have to heal. I know hurt people, but that's not right, because that makes you look like a loser. You're only embarrassing yourself. I know life is hard for you and all, but that doesn't give you any free pass to treat people like shit. Life is hard and unfair to everyone, okay? But at the end of the day, the people who want to be better and work on themselves become the real winners. Thank you everyone for watching. I really hope this video is helpful to you guys, and let me know your views on it on the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and love you all. See you guys in the next video. Bye.